I want to make $10,000 before the end of 2025. It is not a bad plan. I want to make $20,000 before the end of 2025. It's not a bad plan, bro. I want to make $1 million before the end of 2025. It's not also a bad plan. But who is going to do this for you? God. Who is going to give you the knowledge to make this money? God. Who is going to give you the strength to make this money? God. Who is going to give you the life to live, to make this money? It is still God in heaven, the Creator. By His grace, you are opportune, you are privileged to achieve your goal. You don't come back to this God to tell God thank you for giving you this money. You make $20,000 this year. Some of you make $1 million, $50,000, $300,000. But in return, did you tell God thank you? Big question for you, because you don't have the knowledge you use. He gave you the knowledge. He gave you the strength. He gave you everything you use in making this money. Everything you use as the resources towards the success of making this money, He is the source. So what have you given to Him as an appreciation for what He has done for you? Answer this question by yourself. It is time for you to tell God thank you for keeping you alive till this date. It is time for you to tell God thank you for giving you the grace to succeed this year. So many plans to succeed, so many have a very good plans to succeed this year, but they could not. It is not that they are not smart, it is not that they are not intelligent, it is not that they are not working hard, and it is not also that they are not working smart. But you succeed. For you that succeeded, it is not that you are the smartest person on the planet Earth, and it is not also that you are the wisest person on the planet Earth. It is not also the fact that you work hard more than any other person this year, but it is just by His grace. I don't know if you understand me. You make it in life. You make it this year. It is not by your grace, bro. It is not by your grace, sir. It is not by your grace, ma. It is not by your grace, brothers and sisters. It is by His grace upon your life. Because if you don't have the life to live, there's no way you are going to achieve your plans this year. So first of all, appreciate God for giving you the life you live, for you to achieve your goal first, for you to achieve your plans this year. You have to appreciate God, because God is the source of the life you use. Then secondly, you have to appreciate God for fulfilling His promise by making your plans a successful ones. You are not the most smartest person on the planet Earth. It is just by His grace. You are not the most intelligent person on the planet Earth as well. It is just by God's grace that you make it. You are not the most wisest person on earth. It is just by His grace that you succeeded this year. So tell God thank you for all that He has done for you. Give back to God. Give back to God. Go on your knee and tell God thank you. If not for anything, for life. And you that you are thinking that the year has ended, the year is about to end, and you have not make it, you have not even achieved one of the goals you set this year, brothers and sisters, it is not too late. One day is enough for you to make it. Only a minute call can change your entire life. So it is not late. It is not late. I promise you that it is not late. You still have time. There's still time. God can change your story after watching this video. So don't lose hope. Still work hard. God is with you. He will not fail you. He has not failed anyone. So don't think that God is going to fail you. He will not.